Welcome to Blackbird's tutorial series. In this video, we will look at how to make new stop categories and causes. Once you are on a specific line page, click the Register Stops tab. Click the blue pen to edit. You can then add a new category and name them to fit your production. Remember to save changes. Add the stop cause information. Each stop type within your category needs to be given a colored label. We have 4 stop cause types. In this case, the stop category is cleaning, and the stop cause is manual cleaning. This is a batch-specific stop, therefore we choose the yellow box. Whenever we click the yellow box, it will affect our OEE2, which is production time. This is the time where the line is manned, but all non-production activities are subtracted. You can add a new category hereafter. Here we have production stops. Our stop type is no production, and we choose the blue box. This is when there is no activity on a line, for example, during weekends or holidays. These stops affect the TCU, which is the total capacity utilization, or all the available production time. We can also add power failure as a stop to this category. Power failure is a loss during operation and is an unplanned stop. This will affect the OEE1, which is the operating time and is the time after we are done with changeovers. This leads to the valued operating time, which is the hours we theoretically made value according to the speed target. Remember, you can always edit your stop categories and causes once they have been created. Another example is maintenance, which will cause stops at the line. We can name the stop cause ongoing maintenance, which will fall under the gray non-production section and affect OEE3. This is the man time, also known as the time where the line is manned. Now we can close the editing page and see our stop categories on the Register Stops page. The OEE will also have been affected based on the information you have added. This concludes on how to add new stop categories and stop causes on Blackbird's website.